Market de Cortez, Los Angeles. Yeah, dagiti pagtatawayan dito itagsapa pag-exercisean. Napintas. It's clean. It's safe. Kung kitain nyo ani, may picture na. Okay. Daipitikwa turn around area na. Okay, bumaba tayo basilan, you know, about a mile from the house, but this is the end. Daipitikwa running lanes dito eh. So